Here's how to add time tracking in Monday.com. From your board, go to the main table and add a column. You'll be greeted by a variety of columns, but we need time tracking. So go to the search bar and type time tracking. Then choose Add to Board. By simply clicking on the pause icon, you can start tracking time while working. You can also reset track time too by right-clicking that box and hit Clear, or you can also export it in Excel. And that is how you add time tracking in Monday.com.